how to download songs with Chrome on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download songs using Google Chrome on your phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Chrome app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the search bar and simply search for pixabay.com. And here, once you search for it, you'll be prompted to the official website of Pixabay. So Pixabay is a popular website that offers royalty-free music and soundtracks that you can enjoy freely. So here you can simply swipe across the top tabs and here you can see the music section. So just tap on it and now here once you are inside the music tab, if you scroll down there you can see the huge collection of tracks from background instruments to full song. So here you can preview any song by tapping on the play button and once you like it, you can just tap on the download icon beside that song to download it. And that's it. That's how you can download songs with Chrome on phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.